The future of energy is here. Imagine powering your home using the sun or the wind, clean, sustainable, and renewable. But how do these energy sources actually work? In this video, we'll break down the science of solar and wind power in a way that's easy to understand. Let's dive in. Before we jump into how solar and wind energy work, let's first ask, why do they matter? Our world is heavily dependent on fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. But these resources are finite and contribute to climate change. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind offer a cleaner, unlimited alternative. They reduce our carbon footprint and help create a more sustainable future. Now let's break down how each of these energy sources actually works. Solar panels work by capturing sunlight and converting it into electricity, but how? This process is called the photovoltaic effect. When sunlight, made up of tiny particles called photons, hits a solar panel, it excites electrons inside the panel's material, usually silicon. These excited electrons start moving, creating an electric current. Now let's talk about wind power. Wind energy comes from the movement of air caused by differences in temperature and pressure in our atmosphere. The faster the wind blows, the more energy it carries. So, which one is better, solar or wind? It depends on your location. Solar panels are great for sunny areas, while wind turbines are more effective in windy regions. Many large-scale renewable energy projects actually use both for maximum efficiency. Solar and wind power are shaping the future of energy. As technology improves, these sources will become even cheaper, more efficient, and more accessible to everyone. Are you considering switching to solar or wind energy? Let us know in the comments below.